This is awesome. Now this is the way kids should spend their summer. Not in front of the TV, not in front of video games. They should spend it on the water. Fantastic. We left the anchorage this morning at onset. We had a really nice time there. I liked it. And we're in the Cape Cod Canal now. And we entered the canal and we are doing 5-6 through the water and 8-8 over ground. The current is with us for a change.
Therapy, control, good morning.
Good morning. I'm not sure if I needed to call you or not, but we're a 45-foot sailing vessel and we're about to enter the canal on the southwest side.
We got vessel 65 feet and above, and vessels towing are required to check in with canal control. We appreciate the call and just request to monitor channel 13 in case we need to update vessels in the canal and any safety issues. Have a good trip through.
Thank you. Wind therapy standing by on 1316.
What was that all about?
So they have these guys called the canal control. They have those also in the East River, and bigger vessels need to report in so they know what's happening on the canal. Make sure there's not huge traffic buildups and stuff. So we weren't really supposed to call in. We don't have to because we're under 65 feet. But it's nice for them to know that we're coming through in case there's any problems. Like if this railroad bridge starts going down, we're kind of screwed. At least they know that we're here and they're not going to lower the bridge on us. So the boat's going 6 knots through the water, but we're doing 10 knots over ground.
Oh my God.
So right now we've got over 4.2 knots of current.
Wow.
So it feels like we're not going anywhere, but we're flying 10 knots right now.
You got a boat on your port stern. So you know. This water turbulence reminds me of the Bahamas. Some of those little inlets were just so turbulent. But here we go into Cape Cod Bay. We were going to go all the way over there to P-Town, which is also Provincetown. But our kids are coming on Sunday, and we need to get up to Belfast. So we're skipping Provincetown on the way up. We'll do it on the way back. And today we're going to Plymouth. Let's see the Rock. At home we have, 2-3 foot tides. Here, it's like 12. Today is low tide. Can you tell? This is for you, Shayna. Did you have this tattooed on your hip in Hebrew? I don't know if there's any way at all for you to see all of these lobster traps, but this is like a complete slalom course. These suckers are everywhere. We thought that the traps outside of Key West were bad. That's nothing compared to this. Holy cow. We're not sailing very fast. Got one engine on because we were making 3 knots. We're a bit impatient. And as you can see, there is not a whole lot of wind today. Why are we backwinded? Oh, that's why. Because we got to turn.
We're in Camden, Maine, or there's a cool water tower on the top of this called Mount Batty Tower. And it's another half mile up, but we've already walked like 30 miles to get here. Well, maybe not 30.
Feels like it.
So we're pretty exhausted before we even start the trail. Someone said it's like another half mile up. It's going to be a beautiful hike.
Okay, that's the trail. I'm already out of breath.
They said it was an intermediate hike.
No way.
Yeah, I imagine it's harder than going to do.
I think hard ones you need like climbing gear.
You think we're at the top now? Nope. Yeah, oh, it's up there.
Oh boy.
Thank God we made it. That was a long hard hike. Normally I'm sarcastic, but I'm being totally serious. It was like straight up. What did you think of the hike?
You know, in the middle of it, I was a little nervous because it was straight up and we don't have the right shoes and the rocks were kind of slippery. But when I'm finished with hikes like this, I'm always so happy that I did it.
And we found a shit ton of blueberries.
Yeah, wild blueberries. They're delicious. They're so small, so you'd think they'd be real bitter, but they weren't. They're delicious.
Delicious.
So I'm gonna bring a little container next time we go hiking.
Yeah. Go away, you English pig dog. Your mother was a hamster and your father smelled of elderberries. I fought in your general direction. Now go away before I taunt you a second time.
We just picked up our kids, our daughter, and our grandchildren.
Look at Birdie.
Poppy's all happy. There's Shayna, there's Emmy, and there's Grayson.
Look at the birdie.
I know. And Grayson's gonna spend 2 weeks with us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is an awesome, awesome sunset.
And look right in front of us, you see our boat.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Wow. Wind derby.
Child don't go. Child don't go. Into this wicked
You're just gonna stay there, huh?
world. Take
We are
that
here in this
guitar off your
gorgeous
back.
anchorage,
Get your suitcase on
and
untied.
our feet are filled with mud.
Please don't go.
Oh, goodness gracious. Grayson, tell me what's happened to you.
I can't get my foot out.
Why?
At the mud.
Stuck in the mud? Oh. With all your might, do it. Keep trying.
I can't do that.
Yes, I'll help you. Just a minute. And Mom's over there laughing. As we entered Camden Harbor, we heard a distress call on the radio. A Sabre 42 powerboat had cut the corner of the channel, hit a rock, and ripped a hole in its hull. They were taking on water, unable to stop it. Luckily, some fishing boats were nearby and able to help before the Coast Guard could get there. They towed the Sabre all the way to the lift and with no time to spare. When they arrived, only about 8 feet of the bow was visible out of the water.
They'll be loads of trouble headed right your way.
My heart hurts for them.
Turn around, change your mind and stay.
They're pulling it out of the water now.
Child, don't go. Into this wicked world all alone. Take that guitar off your back, your suitcase on the bed. Child, don't go. Please don't go. Child, don't go. Into this wicked world all alone. Take that guitar off your back, put your suitcase on the bed. Please don't go. Child, don't go.
We're going exploring, buddy.
We're supposed to turn right after this lighthouse. I have no idea how we're going to get through all of those lobster traps. How can there be any lobsters left? What seems to be the dilemma this morning, honey?
We got some lobsters, and we're trying to figure out how to store them until we eat them for dinner tonight.
How many lobsters are in there?
I think I gave him 4. I think he was 4.
Oh my God, we have to eat that. Oh, don't piss it off.
He looks kind of mad.
Yeah, he does look mad. He's very menacing.
I'm gonna have to pick him up and put him in the bag. I think we put him in the bag and put him in the back of the fridge.
Do you want to use the grabber? Are you gonna use your hands?
Just the grabber.
Hold on a second. I'll go get it.
We gotta put the lobsters in paper bags, supposedly, and stick it.
Okay.
And stick it in the fridge.
Yes, you can touch one.
Don't touch your claws out.
No,
Yeah.
they won't pinch me. Oh my god.
What's going on?
That scared the life out of me. That was so thick.
Thick? It's a hard shell.
Oh my gosh. Hey, little buddy. It's okay. Little buddy. It's okay. It's okay, little buddy.
It's okay that we're gonna eat you for
Why?
dinner.
No.
You don't want to eat it?
I want to pet one.
You can pet one.
No, I mean I want like a lobster as a pet.
No, I don't think you do.
Why?
Oh, Poppy, come on.
Well, they're like all stuck together.
Be careful. Be careful. with
Grayson,
the
we're gonna
lobster.
eat them, buddy. They're like all like
I
mushed.
think you just pick it up.
But I'm trying to get like a angle.
Can we keep one tonight?
No.
Why?
Because we didn't buy him to keep a pet lobster on board.
I can pick it up.
You want to pick it up?
That's a big one.
Okay, pick it up.
Hurry up.
I don't want to do it. I'm scared. Oh my god.
I'm just going to drop it on the floor. Don't drop it on the floor.
There you go.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Okay, one more.
Want to just pick it up? You can pick this one up.
It's scary.
It is scary, but just touch it first. You don't have to pick it up, just touch it.
Hey, no, right around the body, right there. Yep.
It has spikes.
No, it doesn't
No,
have spikes.
those are legs.
The spike's over there by your yeah. There you go.
We decided to take a hike, and We decided to take a hike today, and we came up. We saw this sign for Rabbit Hill Farms, and there's a little sign on it that says popovers 11:30 to 2:30. We said, we'll come back and get them. So we're walking that way. We see a car, and the lady rolls down the window and she says, "Did you take them all? Are they all gone?" Like, what are you talking about? She says, "You have to get to the farm and beat the rush before the popovers are gone." So we abandoned the hike temporarily, and we're going to get some popovers.
We don't know what popovers are yet, but we're gonna get some. Popover pop-up.
Popover pop-up,
11:30 to 2.
We found Rabbit Hill Farms. Turns out it's a woman's home. She makes popovers and serves lunch now and then by reservation only. But today, she didn't have any popovers, and we didn't have a reservation. So we were out of luck. The farm was nice, though.
Hold on. Afternoon shower. Nature's little tree.
I was like, uh-oh. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I thought he was gonna go
1,000 miles of water.
Your turn.
Sweet serenity.
Oh,
Lips all in the captain. With therapy.
Get your hat. Get your hat. My turn again. You don't have to do that ever again.
What's the problem with this lobster?
So he's my friend.
He's your friend, so we don't want to eat him anymore? So we can't eat him anymore?
Oh. The reason is I really like him.
But do you ever have a lobster omelets?
Yeah, we will have to cook all of them, but maybe I can make a pet one sooner.
Okay, maybe for the end of the trip, okay? But this one we're eating.
what do you think about this, honey?
This is very cool.
Oh, you're okay with it? Oh, I thought you were upset because you made friends with the lobster.
Well, that's my friend lobster. I guess Puppy. Well, Puppy said it's pretty small, and it doesn't. It might not give us that much meat.
Give us plenty of meat.
You gonna eat it?
Oh gosh. Yes, that looks so good.
Oh, okay. I thought you were upset.
So is this boiling now?
I'm gonna be upset if that thing gets cooked.
Well, he is going to get cooked.
It's okay. But
Okay.
I'll make friends with the other ones.
Okay.
Join us next time to see if Grayson lets us eat his new lobster friends.
When therapy